colorful stuff at the dollar store. Look at that. Seasonal products. Beautiful stuff. You can feel it's Christmas already. Good afternoon, my family and friends. To those who don't know me, my name is Sally Casper and welcome back to my channel. As Christmas is approaching, I want to finish and decorate our kitchen or our living room because we started, but it's not quite done. So today, I got something from the dollar store and I'm gonna show you in a little bit. So follow me. This tree, we got this at the 99-cent store and it's 99 cents.
Looks like you've got a pretty good sleeve.
That's really a good deal for 99 cents. And I got the ornaments from the dollar store. These are all $1. The ornaments are all $1. This smaller tree, I tried to decorate with all silver. Look at that, so cute. And these are all dollar ornaments.
What's that for? Your Wreath. See no sense in moving out because you're honeymooning here. I don't have time to explain it to you, brother. Just get out. I ain't going.
Cannot forget that this tree is only 99 cents. When they open the 99-cent store in Folsom,
They sure am.
all the big ones like the coffee maker and everything is only 99 cents. So I got it for 99 cents. First time we used this here, and all the ornaments are $1. Not bad. It's a good deal. Guys, I went to the dollar store and look what I got. I got these candle holders and I got that glass. I got all kinds, different colors of balls. And then I got different colors of glass gems. White, red, green, and then all kinds of balls. I got silver and gold, and I got some flowers, Christmassy flowers. See that? And I also got 3D wreath. So I'm gonna form this. And maybe I'm gonna put some flowers, so we'll see. So you need to watch my videos. I'll show you what I will do with this stuff. Okay? And I'll see you in a little bit. And of course I have their glass plates or plastic plates. So I can put something, whatever I like over there. And I also got wire edge ribbon. See, if I get this at Michael's, they're expensive, but I got this at the dollar store, so it's only $1. I got red and gold. So guys, I'll see you in a little bit. When you're working on the wreath, you need to use glue because it's a lot easier, okay? And then this one, you can use a wreath with just like this. Then you can glue or whatever you like to put in here. Or you can make like a globe like this, like in the picture. But I think it's a good idea. I'll just make the wreath like this, so it's be easier for you, because if you make like a globe, it's a little bit difficult. So I'll just do this, so it's easier to hang on the door or on the table. It's a lot easier than doing like this. Maybe some other special project, this might be good also. But I'll just go ahead and glue over here. Okay guys, using the balls from the dollar store, I glue it all around, and then we're gonna put some ribbon in a little bit. Guys, the wreath is getting better, then I'll put some ribbon next. Here's the finished product from the dollar store. Look, you can make something like this, and then you can hang it. See that? Looks fancy. See, you can be a little creative, and then you can hang this in the door. See that? So fancy. Candle holder that I bought from the Dollar Tree, and Dollar Tree, and then I bought 3 plastic plates, and I put the candle holder in between the tree, the plates, so it will look like this. See, 3 layers. And it don't look like $1 to me.